now, play.
Okay. The next scenario is going to be, I'm living in an apartment. I hear there's fighting next door. There's screaming. There's crying. I hear someone run away. And I look out my door to see that my friend, my neighbor, is at her door. And she's crying and upset. I come over to her to comfort her. It's okay. I'm so glad you're here. She tells me her husband hit her.
It wasn't like this when we first got married.
I know. I know. I know.
I don't know what I did wrong.
I know.
But I think the baby's coming now.
It looks like your water broke.
Oh, then the baby is coming. What do I do?
Can we call your mom? Does your mom live local?
No. But I have a friend that's like a mom. We could call her.
Let's give her a call.
Okay.
Let's go back in.
My phone's in my back pocket. Here you go.
Go.
Hopefully she
Here, just give me your
answers.
thumb. Put it
Oh.
on there.
There we go.
Okay. What's her name?
Sure.
Hello, Shar. No, this is her neighbor, Feline. She's gone into labor. Neither of us have a working vehicle. Yeah. Can you come? We might be at the hospital by then. I'm gonna call 911 next. Okay, then maybe we'll see you. Did you want to say anything to her?
I just want her to come. Can she come and help?
She's doing her best.
Okay.
Okay, bye, Shar. Hello, yes, our emergency. We have a woman in labor. Yes, we're in the apartment housing. 3rd floor.
I hope the elevator works. I don't think I can go down all the stairs.
What do you mean? Well, no, we don't have a car. Just do your best. Thank you.
What's going on?
They said they're out on important calls.
What? More important than a baby? That's kind of a big deal, isn't it? Especially we don't. So what are we gonna do?
Let's go to your room.
Okay. Wait, but you live. Can we go to your? I'm not going back in my house. I can't be back there.
I totally understand.
Can we
Come
go
on,
to
yeah.
yours, please? Thank you. I'm not safe there, and I can't be there.
My bed has laundry on it, but I think
Okay.
it's the best spot. Come on.
I don't care. I bet it'll be more comfortable with that laundry. Sorry
Here.
if it gets dirty.
Just sit right here.
Wait, where?
Right here on my big imaginary bed.
Okay, thank you. Can I?
Here we go.
Mm.
Okay. I'm gonna go get the shower curtain
Okay.
out of my shower.
What's the shower curtain for? What's it for?
I don't want you to mess up my bed.
Ow, that hurts when you laugh. I'm sorry.
Here.
Okay.
Here, just lift your bums a
Oh,
little
like a
bit.
bed liner.
Yeah,
Oh, that makes sense.
just a little bit, and I'll
What?
slip it under.
Okay.
Okay, you got it. Okay, that's good enough. Sometimes birth's a little messy.
They're really messy. That's true. Thank you for your help.
I love you.
I love you too. I don't know what I'd do if you weren't home. I'm so glad I have such a good friend who's willing to let me use her bed to have my own baby in.
You can mess my bed up all you want.
Maybe I can do something to repay you, okay? I don't know my mind's not thinking of, but I'm sure maybe I'll do a
I like
painting.
cookies.
Ooh.
Yeah, I like cookies.
Yeah, maybe once everything's good and I'm feeling better, you can tell me your favorite cookies. I'll make some of those for you. Thank you so much.
Oatmeal chocolate chip, not the
Oh.
raisin.
Oh.
Not the raisin.
Okay. Sounds good. I think I need to push.
What?
I feel like
Breathe. When were you due again?
What's the date today?
The 23rd.
Oh, I still have 4 weeks. I'm only 36 weeks.
36 weeks.
That's not too bad,
We can
right?
do 36 weeks.
Okay. You're here. You got this, right?
Oh yeah.
I got this with you.
You know, I've been there for all my grandkids.
And you had training, which makes all the difference too.
Yeah. I've been taking those classes.
Could I get some water? And I'm a little shaky. Maybe some food. I'm just
Do you want to lay down or do you want to
Yeah.
stay sitting up? Because I have some muffins. I made
Okay.
muffins.
Okay.
You just get those.
I'm just gonna just like this till you get back.
And a straw. I was sure I had a straw. Oh, I can't find my
It's
straw.
okay. I'm sitting. It's okay.
Here's my water.
Did you get a muffin?
Mm-hmm.
Can I have that too?
All for you.
Please.
I'm just teasing. I'm just teasing. I'm just teasing. Here's the
that's what you
muffin.
meant. Thank you.
Here's the muffin.
These are amazing.
You must be really hungry.
I don't know the last time I ate, and that fight went on for a long time. I don't even know what time it is. I probably really needed food.
It's about 3 in the morning. That's why I could hear
Oh.
you guys.
Oh, that's because I was supposed to be sleeping. Okay, can I have more water too?
Yeah. Here you go. I know sometimes when we're fighting, we just don't make time for food and drink.
Yeah, I know. I've been trying so hard. Putting my baby first. But it's just been such a hard situation.
It's not your fault. It's not your fault. I'm gonna take care of you now.
I think I want to do a squatting. Can we try a squatting position? Because I feel like I'm gonna.
Here I am. Here I am. I got you.
Let's go that way.
Go ahead. I got him.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
I think I need to push again.
Okay. You can hang on me. Doing really well. You're doing really well. Breathe. Breathe. Yeah. Is the baby's head out?
Can you hold me with one arm and check out the baby with the other?
I can't.
Let's try that.
Okay. The head is out.
Okay. I need to be down further.
Okay,
Maybe a bit
okay.
down.
Here we go. Can you use my leg?
Oh, baby's head. I was just. Okay. I'll come around this way.
Okay.
No worries.
Okay. Actually, that works. Having me up like that.
This position isn't working well.
Okay.
The baby's head seems to be sucking back in.
Okay, what do I do? I get